Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to share my current favorite updated drugstore affordable liquid eyeliners for you guys. I did one of these videos a little while back, but I have a couple of other products. I don't have too many, but these are just my top favorite affordable products. So the first one I want to talk about, because I don't want this video to be super long, I just kind of want to jump in and yeah. The first one is the most affordable one, and this is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I love this liquid eyeliner. This one is actually coming to an end, so I have another backup, but I really do like this eyeliner. It is so easy to use. It has a really nice felt tip, and it's just a really nice dark matte black. I'm not a fan of shiny black eyeliner. I like a matte finish. So all of the eyeliners you're probably ever going to hear me talk about from now and forever is going to be a matte black liner. But this is just so affordable, and the formula is great. I mean, I like the little brush too. It just makes it really easy, and the product is just really good. I haven't had any issues with it transferring, crumbling, caking. I mean, nothing like that at all. But it dries down really nice, and you don't need to really go in with tons and tons of layers to get that really nice opaque matte black look, you know what I mean? So this is definitely one of my favorites. This is something that I've repurchased. I can't even tell you how many times. It's good and it's affordable, and I really like getting it when it's on sale, because I think it comes out to maybe two for like $3, and I mean, I'm not complaining over $3 eyeliner for two of them. So yeah, okay. Next product I want to talk about is this eyeliner right here. I love this eyeliner. So this is the LA Splash Architec Slim Eyeliner. This is a waterproof liquid eyeliner. This one is not a felt tip, but it does have, it's like really tiny bristles that look like a nice little brush. And it's so good. I'm just kind of struggling opening it. I think that's my only issue with this, that it's, oh, nope, okay. So this is what it looks like. Sometimes I do struggle to get the lid off, but this is what it looks like. It's just a really fine point. With all of these liquid liners that look like a marker, when it's coming to an end, it always kind of gets a little messy because it's just running out. I don't know why they do that, but I've heard other people complaining about that, but I am running pretty much out. I don't think there's too much in here. Maybe I can get a good, yeah. So this is going to be a really terrible swatch because I'm running out of this. I do have to pick up another one. So I'm doing quite a few there. So this is it right here. It's actually a bit darker than the first one. It's such a really nice formula. It's really easy to use, and I don't know. I don't have enough good things to say about this. I do want to make sure that I grab another one. I can't find it locally, so I think this is just one of those eyeliners that I have to order it online, but it's so good. The point is perfect. And I especially love really fine points because I like doing the little inner wing with my eyeliners, and the point on this is perfect for it. Like, I mean, perfect. Quick tip, if you have a marker liner and it's coming to an end and you can't get the product out on the applicator, store it upside down. So the next time you're going to reach use it, all the product that's on the bottom is going to just kind of come to the tip area, and just kind of swatch it on your hands to make sure that not too much product is coming out, because that's another way that you're just going to ruin your eyeliner and you're just not going to have a good time. So just make sure that once you store it upside down, just kind of test it out on your hands to make sure not a huge clump of it is coming out, and then go in and do your application eyeliner process. And yeah. Next eyeliner I want to talk about is also one of my favorites. I mean, I think I've gone through maybe 5 or 6 of these already. It's the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. This is so good. This is one of those brushes. It's not, I mean, it's super fine, but it dries down perfectly. The consistency is amazing. You don't need to really layer. This one is running out also. I have a backup back there somewhere, but this is what it looks like. Like I said, dries down matte. It just goes on really, really well. I actually don't mind this little brush tip at all. It's just it's kind of there. It doesn't point or anything. So that's why I always like having different options where I don't use this for the inner portion, but to create the wing and to fill in my liner. The formula is amazing, like amazing. The last eyeliner I want to talk about is a new love of mine, and it is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. This was a journey. This was a struggle. The first time I used this eyeliner, I hated it because I got a bad batch. So that's the only issue I have with the Epic Ink Liner. There are good batches and bad batches, and that I need a little more consistency, but the product itself is amazing. It's so good when you do find a really, really good one. And I mean, it's so easy to use. I mean, it's so easy to use. It dries down. When you find a good batch, it doesn't transfer, it doesn't bleed, it doesn't smudge. It pretty much just stays put. And with this, I can also create a really nice inner wing. So, you know, I'm all for that. But the formula is really good. So if you've tried the Epic Ink liners and it's smudging and it's transferring, you got a bad batch, take it back and try to get another one, because there are good and bad ones. I'm here to tell you because I've been there, and it's not fun. It's annoying. It's, you know, it's a little frustrating. Not annoying, it's frustrating because you don't want to have to wonder if you're leaving the store with a good batch. So if you're someone who's going to be traveling and you need to get a liner, make sure you try it before you go on your trips and make sure that, you know, it's a good batch. But yeah, so this is what they look like, all dry down, nice matte black, no shininess, no nothing, just super, super black, and just see, nothing. So super matte, super black, no smudging, no transferring, no anything like that. These are just my favorites. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any drugstore recommendations for me, please comment them below, let me know. And yeah, I'm down for trying them also, and let me know which of these you've used and how you feel about them. So I'm going to end this video here. I will see you guys in the next one, and yeah, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.